Breaking news in the college admission scandal just moments ago, and what could be a big win for Lori Loughlin. In new legal documents, it says the money Lori and her husband Mossimo gave to their daughters to get their daughters into USC was in fact a payment they believed was going to the university itself. So what does this all mean? Well, for months, the government claimed it did not have any evidence showing the payment was not a bribe. And then all of a sudden, prosecutors finally turned over this new evidence in a potential win for Lori and her team, who will go on trial this October. Meanwhile, Lori and Mossimo just listed their massive $28 million Bel Air home, 12,000 square feet, has 6 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms. Okay, we've been talking about this story, Mark, for a year now. We've been dying to get an expert opinion. We want to know, because Felicity Huffman, in my opinion, is coming out on top. Yes, she served her time, she admitted it, but now I'm rooting for her comeback. Lori Loughlin, I'm not rooting for her comeback. Do you think this is going to hurt her? Number one, do you think that she's going to serve jail time? Number two, is her strategy the right way?
Okay, first, you just said big win for Lori. Why? Because Lori says so? That's her PR and trying to win the court of public opinion. I'm a federal trial lawyer. I would have had her run to the prosecutor's office and work out a plea deal. You get acceptance of responsibility points. It goes down. Your chances of serving significant time would have been less if she had accepted responsibility. Now she's headed to trial. There's something called a trial tax. They don't say it on the record, but they hit you hard when you go to trial.
They throw the book at you?
For sure, because you need to send a message to trial lawyers like myself. You go to trial and lose, you're going to pay. Now, why did they sell the home? You want to know why they sold the home? I believe they sold the home for cash because they need the money, because these legal fees are mounting, and I think they're going to be hiring David Copperfield because they need to make all of this go away. The pictures on the rower.
I know.
Really?
Right?
Okay. Recordings, emails back and forth, clearly evidencing fraud. Come on, Lori. I'm not buying it.
So do you think she's, okay, we've had a debate on this show. I think she's going to go to jail. I think the court of public opinion doesn't favor her, and I think that the actual,
she
is going to jail.
Oh, no, understand something. If she goes to trial and is found guilty, or even takes a plea, with certainty, under the guidelines it's called for. Now, good lawyers like myself will argue the guidelines don't apply. She deserves a downward departure. There's nothing here that would warrant her getting probation as opposed to a prison.
She's going to jail.
She is.
Whoa.
Now, hold on.
What kind of jail?
This might be a loophole. You don't think she's going to not get out of this?
Unless she's acquitted, which only happens in a small percentage of cases, and her chances are going down because she did not hire me, just so we're clear. Yes, I believe that she will. Now, the time that you do in federal custody is different than state, right? I'm not minimizing being stripped of your liberty and segregated from your family members, but there's camps. My client they go to camp. Yeah. Okay, right? Or low. I'm not minimizing it. I wouldn't want to go there.
But it's not federal.
But it ain't prison. Right. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
There's no Andy Dufresne going on.
That. You know what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Yes.